Hey, welcome back. I'm getting a lot of requests for a field strip video of this new P365 SAS. They took the controls and made them flat over here. So there's some confusion about how to field strip this, but it's really not difficult. Take your slide, lock it back. Of course, remove your magazine. Take this and turn it. There's a little notch in there, and I'm just using a penny. Turn it back. Once it's all the way back, bring your slide forward, and it comes right off. Everything else is the same in the field strip process. Take out your spring, take out your barrel, and just for your standard basic field strip, that's all you need to do to disassemble that gun. The reverse process, just do everything the opposite way. Put your barrel in your slide, your spring back in, and put your slide back on your frame. Lock that back. Turn that straight. And you're done. This is your basic field strip video of Sig Sauer's P365 SAS. Thank you and God bless.